Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netspend Skylight 1 card via online method or via calling method. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, you can cancel your account by dialing this number or this number, and once you get connected you can tell them that you wish to cancel your account or you do not want to continue with your account and all, and they will understand each and everything and they will guide you what you have to do. First of all, they will guide each and everything and they will tell you that you can cancel your account or not, and they will each and everything they can explain you. Okay, so this is the one method by which you can easily cancel your net spend, you can say night Skylight card. Okay, so this is the one method, and the another method is that is you can say via online method. And in the online method you need to log in into your account, and on login you can easily cancel your account, but the login method is little bit hard for any non-technical person. So this is the best method to cancel your account via calling. Okay, so hope you understand my all the points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.